This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, awning, oven, LP Detector, Skylight, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is 13,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.